Looking for the best Mandoline slicer for your kitchen? In today's video, we're reviewing the top 3 Mandoline slicers that can save you time and make meal prep easier than ever. First up, the Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Food Slicer. This stainless steel slicer features adjustable thickness control, a rotating blade system, and a non-slip base for safe slicing. It also includes cut-resistant gloves, making it a great choice for professional-style kitchen prep. Next is the SupMaKin Upgrade Safe Mandoline Slicer. This powerful kitchen tool offers over 40 cutting styles, adjustable thickness settings, and a larger feeding port for faster slicing. It's perfect for busy kitchens and large meal prep sessions. Finally, we have the Fullstar 2-in-1 stainless steel Mandoline. This compact slicer lets you switch between slicing and julienne cuts in seconds. It's easy to clean, beginner-friendly, and ideal for everyday use. If you want precision and durability, go with Gramercy. If you need versatility, SupMaKin is the best option. And if you prefer compact convenience, Fullstar is a fantastic choice. Check the links below to learn more about these top-rated Mandoline slicers and upgrade your kitchen today.